Now, what is paint failure? Paint failure refers to any deterioration or loss of performance in a paint coating that prevents it from protecting or beautifying the surface as intended. What did I say earlier? That what does the paint do? To protect the surface and also to beautify it. That is aesthetics. Right? So you understand that this material, the intention is to protect. You will not just want to coat your paint. You have at the back of your mind that what is the suitable paint to paint the surface? This wood, that I'm supposed to paint this wood, what is the right paint that will protect this wood? What is the right paint that will make it beautiful? What finish you are need to get? So all of these things have to come to your mind before you choose paint. It may appear as peeling. When the paint fails, what are things that you are going to see? You will see that it will peel. The paint will peel. Let's say this place is moist, for instance, is soak. What will happen to it? You will see that you begin to see it will blister, it will swell up. When I want to swell up, what happened there? That means the paint has failed.
Is it the paint that fails, sorry? Is it the paint that fails or is the wall?
It's the paint that failed.
Okay.
Now,
But the wall is not fitting.
no, we'll get it.
Okay.
I get your question, but we'll get it.
Okay.
Now, it's the paint that failed. The question is, why did the paint fail? Because you did not do something that made the paint to fail. You have neglected what you're supposed to do. That is why the paint failed. And that is where we are going. So when it fails, when you now get to a paint that is, you just look at this place now, 1 month ago, 1 week ago, and you begin to lift. That means the paint has failed. There was something you did not do. The effect of the failure is the thing that you are seeing. That's what we are saying.
Okay.
So it's this has failed. This paint failed. What made it fail is what I'm teaching you today. Right? Now, what other thing can happen? Blistering or bubbling. What's something bubble? No, you know bubble now. When it's bubble, when you shoot out like the hair, you see bubble. You see bubble here and there on the wall. Right? That is one of the signs that paint has failed. We'll get to why it failed.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Now, cracking or chalking. What is cracking? When you paint a surface, let's say you painted it yesterday because I've experienced it. I painted a car park, right? And the following day, I realized that one part was already cracking it's already cracked. It's cracked. You will see it's cracked out from the floor. Why? I will tell you what happened. Or chalking. What is chalking? When you see a wall, you touch it like this. And you see it's dust, it stay your wall. It's chalking.
Okay.
It's chalking. Right? Why did it chalk? You need to know why. Because that paint failed. Discoloration or fading. When you paint a surface and you now go there after 1 month or couple of months, and you now see that there's a paint that this place looks like it's bleached off. You understand? The discoloration is not, you are seeing purple, like let's say you paint pink or lilac, you're not seeing red, you're not seeing, you're laughing because you know what I'm saying. Yes, or fading. A new coat ought to be brilliant, sharp, right? But in this regard, because like 2 months ago, 3 months ago, it's very fading. What happened? It's because the paint failed. Why did it fail? We'll get it. Mold or mildew grows. You painted the exterior, especially exterior, and you don't get there. You are seeing blackish discoloration. You are seeing all of those signs. Wait till they happen for you. You are seeing green. You are seeing those gay this thing. Something has happened there. The paint failed. Why did it fail? How was that happening? Poor adhesion or patchy finishes. You paint, and someone now wants to come and put switch or put something here, and now realize that the thing is just lifting. Have you seen a certain finish on Twitter online? That someone was peeling it like this. Why? Like nylon. It was paint. Someone said they use bad paint. It's not because it's actually bad paint. That paint failed. Why did it fail? Why was it removing? We'll get there. Patchy finishes. You applied paint and You look at the wall, it's not consistent. One part look matte, one part look shiny. Something happened there, right? We'll get it. Am I communicating?
Yes.
Causes of paint failure. Paint failure doesn't happen by accident.
If you have learned something from this class and you'd like to know more, you can sign up for our next training. It's coming up on the 3rd of December 2025. And the training fee is 200,000 naira. You can sign up today if you are a painter, interior decorator, or designer. It doesn't matter the level you are or the number of years that you have. This course is suitable for you. Sign up today and let's see in class.